Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing another unboxing, you guys. Influencer has been sending me tons of products, and first of all, truly grateful for it. I am very happy and grateful. Thank you so much to Influencer to sending me all these products, and I am happy to review them and talk about them in my YouTube videos, in my IG stories, my TikTok, just the whole 9 yards, you guys. So super happy. Today's unboxing is something very special, and I'll give you a little hint. I already have it on my face, so yes, it is a makeup product. So can you guys guess? Comment down below before you continue watching the video, what makeup product will I be talking about? So yeah, give it a little guess. I'll give you like 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's move on. Before we do move on, you guys, go ahead and click subscribe down below. Join the Kwak fam, you guys. I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you guys, there are tons of people watching my videos, but they haven't subscribed yet, so you're coming back to watch my videos, so you might as well just subscribe, right? You don't want to miss out on any content, so subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and on top of that, of course, click on that notification bell. That way, you truly don't miss out on any of my videos. So that is it, you guys. Let's go on with the unboxing. So Influencer has sent me this box right here, and of course, you guys, obviously I took the product out because I already have it on my face. I used it up, you guys. Well, not used it up, but I've used it already. So just wanted to show you guys the box, and can you guys tell which makeup company sent me makeup? Yes, Tom Ford, you guys. How exciting is that? Tom Ford. You guys, Tom Ford sent me makeup. Yes, it's sent to me through Influencer, but still, Tom Ford, you guys. I am super excited. Alright, first of all, let's go in with the little informational card. In the box, they sent us a informational card. On one side, it has the Tom Ford Soleil. I think that's how you pronounce it. You know, correct me if you must, but I think it's Soleil, not sure. But here is the front side, and on the other side is the information. I'm gonna go ahead and read you the information. Alright, it says Tom Ford Ultra Shine Lip Color in Nubile. Again, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled N-U-B-I-L-E. It is a glossy, creamy, and addictive and innovative lip formula. Combines 3 lip musts that easy application of a lipstick, the high shine gleam of a lip gloss, and the rich emollient of a lip balm, featuring lightweight silica powders for all-day shine. The unique combination of esters and polymers ensures even glossy application, while polyethylene wax gives a lightweight conditioned feel. You guys, all that stuff, you know what it sounds like? Oh, beauty. Okay, because I have it on my lips right now, and don't worry, you guys, I will show you the product, but I have it on my lips. First of all, this lipstick, on me at least personally, it's like a my lips but better. It just feels really nice. As a matter of fact, when I say feels really nice, it's not like I actually feel anything. Honestly, I don't feel anything on my lips. It feels just like it's just part of my lips. I like it so much. First time using this, I did do this makeup look, and I used that Tom Ford lipstick for the first time, and you guys, all this talking, moving my lips, it feels like nothing. It feels like I don't have any lipstick on. It feels nice. I'm looking at the mirror right now, looking at the viewfinder, and it just looks beautiful. The shine is perfect. It's not too glossy. It's not too matte. Alright, so moving on, let me show you the unit carton that it came in. Here is the unit carton that it came in, a nice gold box. Alright, on the front it has Tom Ford, a little bit of information, flip it around, some more information, but I know you guys are waiting and waiting for the product for me to show you. Here it is, you guys. Drum roll, please. Bada 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 bada. Alright, drum roll, please. This is what it looks like, you guys. Look how elegant that looks. Look how sophisticated that looks. Do you guys see that, you guys? Wow. Honestly, wow. That is the only word that comes to mind. Look at that. Packaging is beautiful. It has like a nice white, clean, chic look to it, and the edges that's like outlined in gold just add more to the elegantness. Is that even a word, you guys? elegantness. I mean, it should be from now on, but it adds more to the very sophisticated, elegant look. Now, you open it up. The cap looks like that. Alright, a nice, oh, on top, look at that, you guys. TF for Tom Ford. And then the lipstick, that is the color Nubile or Nubile. Do you guys see that? Does that color, that shade lipstick, does it look, I mean, you guys, you see that? That is beautiful. This is the lip color I have on, you guys. Look how nice that looks. Honestly, I'm sad we have to wear masks because I gotta cover this face up. I gotta cover these lips up, you guys. We're wearing a mask. I mean, but for our safety, for everyone else's safety, I mean, for the greater good, yes, please put on your mask and keep them on when you go out. But you guys, this lip color, oh, you know what? I feel like I need one of those masks where it's like clear so you can see what this lip color looks like, because the whole world has to know about it. That is the lip color, you guys. I might zoom in, but here you go. Let me, alright, so hold on. Gotta take a little screenshot, right? Little thumbnail picture. Here we go. Okay, so hopefully that turned out as a good thumbnail to picture. But you guys, that is the lip color. And we're gonna cap it back on. Alright. You guys, that is amazing. First time using it, so this is more of a unboxing slash first impressions type of video. I already have it on my lips, you guys, so that is what it looks like. Obviously, when different people put makeup products on their face, on their lips, on their skin, it's gonna look slightly different. But if your, you know, skin tone, lip tone, whatever you want to call it, is similar to me, then this is the look, you guys. Alright, so that is the final complete, I guess. That's all I gotta say, you guys. This is the unboxing. They sent me a beautiful Tom Ford lipstick. I'm super excited for it. And thank you so much again to Influencer and Tom Ford to sending me these products. I'm very grateful. And you guys, that's pretty much it, you guys. Oh, and by the way, if you're curious how to get this look, you guys, I did do a video on it. It's probably one of my most recent video I posted, so go check it out. I'll put it at the end of this video. You know, at the end I put up my, you know, please subscribe little link, and on top of that I put on like 2 little videos you can watch, and one of it is besides the one you're watching, but the most recent video that's posted. So it's probably one of those videos. So yeah, anyway, so that's the end of this unboxing slash first impression slash review video. I'll do more updates on it as I wear it more, probably on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me there, or maybe on my TikTok, so follow me there as well. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.